Here's how you can crack your mid-back. If you're getting pain in this area, then this technique's right for you. There's research to show that cracking the mid-back can be useful for increasing mobility in that area, so getting rid of stiffness, but also for helping with neck and shoulder pain. This technique's really simple, and you're probably doing it intuitively already. Interlace your fingers behind your back, and then lean back over an object like a chair, a foam roller, or the end of your sofa in order to manipulate or get a pop in the mid-back. Don't force it, just go as far as is comfortable, and if it needs a release, it will pop. You can lower yourself up or down to get to different parts of the mid-back. Cracking the back feels relieving for stiffness and for pain, but it's not a long-term solution. You need to identify what factors are causing you to get the stiffness in the back. Often it's to do with posture. Click on this video to learn how to strengthen your back so you don't need to click it on a regular basis anymore. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up